Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best soldering stations of 2026. Whether you're a beginner, electronics hobbyist, or a professional working on precision repairs, choosing the right soldering station can make a huge difference in performance, safety, and results. I've compared temperature accuracy, build quality, features, and value to bring you the best options available this year. All product links are listed in the description below, so you can check current prices and details easily. Let's get started. 5. Towato DS90. Meet the upgraded Towato DS90W soldering station. New blue version, designed for speed, safety, and precision. Featuring a patented anti-static grounding wire design and a clear dual degree C digital display, the DS90 makes temperature control intuitive with its dual-color LED interface. The powerful 90-watt ceramic heating core reaches up to 590 degrees Fahrenheit in about 5 seconds, while smart auto standby and sleep modes enhance safety and efficiency. With advanced PID intelligent temperature control for fast compensation and rock-solid accuracy, this station delivers consistent results for PCB, SMD, and SMT work. Certified ESD, CE, FCC, and RoHS, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike, whether in labs, workshops, or home DIY. Plus, the luxurious 13-in-1 kit includes everything you need to get started, backed by a 1-year warranty, lifetime tech support, and a 30-day return for total peace of mind. 4. Weller WEE 1010NA. Upgrade your soldering setup with the Weller Digital Soldering Station, designed to deliver faster, cleaner, and more reliable results. With 40% more power than the models it replaces, this high-performance 70-watt soldering iron heats quickly to get the job done efficiently, while the heat-resistant silicone cable ensures safe, comfortable handling. Precise temperature stability of Maya 4-degree separates, Furnace 2 degrees, and a temperature lock protect both tips and sensitive components, giving you consistent, repeatable solder joints every time. Packed with smart features like intuitive navigation, standby mode, auto setback for energy savings, and password protection to preserve settings, this station is built for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. The complete kit includes the WE1 120-volt station, WP70 iron and tip retainer, PH70 safety rest with sponge, and an ETA 1.6mm screwdriver tip, making it a powerful all-in-one solution for precision soldering. 3. Itsweaker Soldering Station. Upgrade your workspace with this all-in-one digital soldering station designed for speed, safety, and precision. Featuring fast heating with an LED temperature display, it adjusts smoothly from 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees 8 and 96 degrees Fahrenheit, with easy Grig C, Sexring Degree F switching and temperature calibration for accurate control. The Auto Hibernate Sleep Mode, 0 to 600s, reduces heat when idle, extending service life while saving energy and enhancing safety. Built with advanced cooling technology, a vented steel pipe, and an ergonomic, silicone-sheathed handle, it stays comfortable and reliable during long projects. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike, handling circuit boards, DIY crafts, phone repairs, and electronics with ease. Plus, it comes as a complete essential welding kit, including multiple tips, helping hands, solder wire and dispenser, cleaners, tweezers, solder sucker, and tools, so you're ready to start right out of the box. 2 WEP 926 LED V3. Looking for a reliable, beginner-friendly soldering station that doesn't take over your workspace? The WEP 926 LED-D V3 soldering iron station kit comes as a complete package with solder wire, 5 extra tips, tweezers, and a desoldering pump. Everything you need to start soldering right out of the box. Its compact design integrates the iron holder directly into the station, making it perfect for small desks while using heat-resistant materials for safe storage. With advanced PID temperature control, adjustable from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, and a real-time digital display, you get smooth, stable soldering every time. Smart features like automatic sleep mode extend the life of the tips and heating element, while the ability to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius adds extra convenience. Backed by 1-year USA technical support, this 110 to 127-volt soldering station is a dependable choice for hobbyists, DIY electronics, and precision repair work. 1. YEWA 926. Upgrade your soldering setup with the YEWA 926-3 digital soldering station, designed for speed, precision, and safety. It heats up fast and offers a wide adjustable temperature range from 194 Daus to 896 Daus, staying rock solid at your set temp thanks to advanced PID temperature stabilization and UL certified safety standards. Its compact, space-saving design features an integrated iron holder, rear protective metal mesh, and built-in tip storage, keeping your workspace clean and safe. With smart functions like degree Celsius degree F conversion, adjustable sleep mode, digital temperature calibration, and an easy-to-read display controlled by a single master knob, this station is built for both beginners and pros. Plus, this 12-in-1 kit includes everything you need: multiple tips, helping hands, solder wire, tweezers, and more, all backed by Yihua's 12-month US exclusive technical support and 24/7 professional assistance. That wraps up our top 5 best soldering stations for 2026. Whether you're a beginner, a DIY hobbyist, or a professional looking for precision and reliability, one of these options should be a great fit for your workspace. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and details for each soldering station we mentioned. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tool reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.